Hi everyone, come along and learn how to easily create a wood grain effect that you can use in various themes, mixing it with simple materials. Grab your bases and some balsa sticks. We'll cut them into smaller bits and design a layout before gluing them with super glue. Cut off the excess of the sticks and add texture paste. Cover some wood parts with it for a dirtier look. Now we'll add some string or thread to the scene. Use your tweezer to help you twirl the string around and drop some cyanoacrylate for a quick fix. Use your imagination to create various patterns and looks, also using different sizes of strings to have a bigger diversity in all your bases. After a dark brown primer, let's paint the ground. We'll use 2 tones of green and mix them with each other. This will create a more vivid earth. Let it dry before dry brushing the ground with a lighter green to create more contrast. Then paint the ropes with a khaki color and dry brush them with an off-white. For the wood parts, a dark brown. After everything is dry, we'll coat the bases with a brown wash. To create more realistic wood, we'll paint some lines. This will simulate wood grain and level up your bases. We'll use 3 different colors to achieve a more authentic effect. Using a wet palette will help control the flow of the paint. With this, it's easier to draw the lines. Take your time until you're happy with the results and then paint the borders. We'll start adding our tufts. First, the strong green. Its dark color will add depth to your bases, creating shadowy areas, so you can choose some spots to place them in groups. We'll combine it with an opposite tone, using light green. This will brighten up your bases, giving a pop of color and diversity to your scene. For a final touch, we'll add some tiny light green to bring everything together. You can create paths on the ground area, place them growing between the wood cracks, or just to fill in some gaps in your bases. Now it's time to get your minis ready for battle. Thank you for watching and see you at our next video.